Dropshipping is an online retail business model where a seller does not physically own or store the products they sell. Instead, they purchase products from a third-party supplier who then ships the products directly to the customer. This means that the seller doesn't have to worry about inventory management or shipping logistics and can focus on marketing and customer service. In this video, we will explain some lucrative ways to earn money with dropshipping. So, let's begin. Traditional e-commerce. Traditional e-commerce is the most common way to earn money with dropshipping. With this model, you set up an online store and add products from your dropshipping supplier. You can market your store through social media, advertising, and search engine optimization. When a customer places an order on your website, you forward the order details to your dropshipping supplier, who ships the product directly to the customer. You earn a profit by marking up the price of the product above the wholesale price charged by your supplier. This model is straightforward and allows you to offer a wide range of products to your customers. Subscription boxes. Subscription boxes are a popular way to earn money with dropshipping. With this model, you curate a selection of products and send them to customers on a regular basis, usually monthly. Customers sign up for a subscription, and you handle the shipping and logistics. Subscription boxes can be a great way to build brand loyalty and keep customers coming back for more. You earn money through subscription fees and by marking up the price of the products included in the box. The key to success with subscription boxes is to offer unique and valuable products that customers can't find anywhere else. Bundling products. Bundling products together can be a great way to earn more money with dropshipping. You can create bundles that include complementary products, such as a skincare bundle that includes a cleanser, toner, and moisturizer. Customers will appreciate the convenience of buying multiple products together, and you can earn more money by marking up the price of the bundle above the cost of the individual products. The key to success with bundling is to offer products that make sense together and to price the bundle attractively. Influencer marketing. Influencer marketing involves partnering with social media influencers to promote your products to their followers. You can offer influencers a commission or a free product in exchange for promoting your products. This can be a great way to reach new customers and build brand awareness. You earn money by making sales generated by the influencer's promotion. The key to success with influencer marketing is to find influencers who have a strong following in your target market and to make sure the influencer's values align with your brand. Marketplaces. Selling on marketplaces such as Amazon or eBay can be a good way to reach a wider audience and make more sales. You can list your products on these marketplaces and use their built-in traffic to drive sales. You will need to pay fees for listing and selling on these platforms, but the increased visibility and potential for more sales can make it worth it. The key to success with selling on marketplaces is to optimize your listings for search and to offer competitive pricing. Niche marketplaces. In addition to general marketplaces, there are also niche marketplaces that cater to specific industries or interests. For example, there are marketplaces for eco-friendly products, handmade goods, or pet supplies. By listing your products on these niche marketplaces, you can reach a highly targeted audience that is more likely to be interested in your products. You will need to do research to find the right niche marketplaces for your products, but the potential for increased sales and a dedicated customer base can make it worthwhile. Local sales. Even though dropshipping is typically associated with online sales, there are still opportunities to sell locally. You can reach out to local businesses or individuals who may be interested in your products and offer to sell to them directly. This can be a good option for products that are difficult to find locally or for customers who want to support small businesses. You can also set up pop-up shops or participate in local markets and events to showcase your products. In conclusion, there are many ways to earn money with dropshipping, from traditional e-commerce to niche marketplaces and private labeling. The key to success is to find the right model for your business and to focus on providing high-quality products and excellent customer service. By leveraging the benefits of dropshipping, such as low overhead costs and the ability to offer a wide range of products, you can create a profitable online business. If you like the video, then subscribe to our channel for more content like this.